Hello guys! Today I want to give you some little advice about how to spend time here in Ukraine, and I want you to be wise, adult and mature and understand that agency is here, your protector, they here for helping you, to help you, to protect you, and actually to make your finding of your woman successful. So please follow advices of your manager, follow advices of your translator. Those people here to help you, your protector. So you need them here. You know, like when you go travel, you also ask advices of probably travel agency, or even if you don't use it, you find all the time some people who can help you there. Maybe even if you use Airbnb and you rent apartments, but you all the time ask some people, maybe owner of this flat, to give you advices, and this person feel like he protect you in those country. So it's very nice, and it's just amazing that you have this agency which can help you in this, and you can always, in case any situation, you can always ask of help. I'm sure that you will not need it, but you know, in case everything must be perfect and all right, and you must be prepared to everything. So you should follow advices of your manager. A manager always will help you anytime, and your translator, these people friends to you, and please don't ask if you don't know something. These people here to help you. I wish you very good luck in finding your soulmate, and wait for you here in Ukraine. Welcome to Ukraine.
From all over the world as they take a trip and find their future brides. Interested? Check out our website at. Don't forget to click on our red subscribe button and notice bell to get updated every time we add something